Good afternoon, students. Today it is our 20th lecture of control system, basic electronics and electricals. So in previous lecture, we have already studied about the basic power supply block diagram, that is regulated power supply. So in that, we studied that first block was the rectifier, that is a circuit which is used to convert the AC mains power supply into pulsating DC, not pure DC, the pulsating DC. So today we will see the rectifier function as well as how we convert the AC into pulsating DC using rectifier. What are the types of rectifier? So rectifier is a device which is used to convert the AC into pulsating DC. So today we'll classify the rectifiers. So rectifiers are basically, there are three types of rectifiers. That is the half-wave rectifier, which has one diode in a circuit. Then the half-wave, full-wave center-type rectifier, which has two diodes in the circuit, and the bridge rectifier, which has four diodes in the circuit. So three types of rectifiers are there: half-wave rectifier, full-wave center-type rectifier, and full-wave bridge rectifier. So we'll see first one, that is half-wave rectifier. For it, obviously, we'll share the diagram of circuit diagram of half-wave rectifier. So let me share the screen now. So as you can see in the circuit, so the screen which I shared here, you can see that the half-wave circuit diagram is shown over there. It is a half-wave rectifier. So see, again, let me say that what is meant by the rectifier. So in previous lecture, we studied about regulated power supply. Regulated power supply has many blocks. The first block is obviously the transformer to step down the AC supply into lower voltage of AC supply. Then the second block was rectifier. So rectifier is a circuit or a device which converts the AC signal. As you can see here, where my cursor is moving. This is your AC signal, AC sinusoidal wave, which is having the positive half cycle and negative half cycle, correct? And which is converting it into pulsating DC. Pulsating DC is a signal which is not pure DC. Okay, not pure DC signal. So here we'll see that the pulsating DC signal, as you can see here, the output which is shown is pulsating DC signal. So in a half-wave rectifier, as you can see, this AC signal, see this sinusoidal AC wave is there, which is a 230 volt, that is our MACV supply. And as you can see here, this block which is shown over here, okay, this is nothing but your transformer, which is shown with the red circle, correct? This is what your transformer, getting? So this transformer, what it does, it converts the higher AC into lower AC, means it down converts the voltage, getting? So the main function of transformer is to down convert the AC voltage into lower AC voltage. It do not convert into DC. Transformer does not work on DC current. It works on only AC current. So as what I stated over here, that first block is your transformer which converts higher AC voltage into lower AC volt. So the output of transformer is AC but with less voltage. Getting? And the lower AC voltage is now applied to the these 2 points. As you can see, this point and this point. So the AC voltage is applied over here and then it is given to the rectifier circuit. So here only one diode is there, which is encircled with this red color. That is nothing but your diode, the P-type terminal and the N-type terminal. Correct? Triangular part means P and vertical line is your N. Diagram of your half wave rectifier. First of all, think carefully what is half wave rectifier. Most important thing, what is half wave rectifier? Half wave. Okay, half wave rectifier. Rectification means what? Rectification is the process of converting AC into DC. Conversion of AC current into DC current is nothing but the rectifier. Getting? So see the input wave which is shown over here. See my cursor. What it is a full AC wave. Full. The word is full AC wave. What is meant by full AC wave? It has positive part as well as negative part. As you can see, this is your positive part and this is your negative part. So this is a complete AC wave, full AC wave. So this circuit is half wave rectifier. Means it is rectifying only half wave out of your full wave. जी काही तुमची पूर्ण एसी वेव आहे त्यापैकी फक्त हाफ एसी रेक्टिफाय केली जाते. As you can see in the output, only positive part which is shown over here. See this, only this positive part is rectified over here. Correct na? And this negative part is not rectified. This negative part is not rectified. So this is your what? Half wave rectifier. That's why it is called as a half wave rectifier, because out of your full wave, it is rectifying only half wave. That's why it is called as a half wave rectifier. Getting? It is very simple. Now, how it works? That is the main question. Now you got what is meant by rectifier. Rectifier is a device which converts full AC wave into pulsating DC wave. AC wave into pulsating DC. That device is rectifier device. Now, your AC signal is there. That is applied first to transformer. Transformer will down convert that voltage because diode do not operate on 230 volt. So diode will down convert that voltage. Sorry, rectifier will down convert that voltage, and then that voltage is applied to the diode because diode does not work on 230 volt. But how this diode will convert the full AC wave into pulsating DC wave? That is the question. That is our working principle. Now see, in previous lecture of PN junction diode, what is the outcome of that lecture? I already told you at that time that you have to remember this thing. Diode works in two conditions, in forward bias condition, in reverse bias condition. In forward bias condition, diode is on. We have to consider that diode is on. Don't consider the cut-in voltage. Means cut-in voltage नंतर जास्त voltage दिलं तर diode हा तुमचा turn on होत असतो आणि करंट फ्लो ला सुरू होते. आणि रिव्हर्स मध्ये जरी मायक्रो अँपियर मध्ये सॅच्युरेशन करंट फ्लो होत असेल तरी पण आपल्याला डायोड ऑफच कन्सिडर करायचा आहे बिकॉज मायक्रो करंट इज व्हेरी लेस करंट. सो रिमेंबर दॅट द आउटकम ऑफ आवर प्रिव्हियस लेक्चर्स इज दॅट in forward bias condition diode is on. In reverse bias condition, diode is off. This is the most important thing. Getting? So here we have to just remember two things. In forward bias condition, diode is on. In reverse bias condition, diode is off. Forward on, reverse off. So see, now I will explain. See, now consider at this point, say suppose positive half cycle is reaching. Getting? Whatever this positive half cycle of the input is there, we'll consider that this positive half cycle will appear across the input side. Okay, here. So when positive half cycle will be appearing at the input, means plus will be on the upper side and minus will be on the lower side. Getting now what I'm telling you, that when positive half cycle of input is appearing at the input, so plus will be on the upper side, minus will be on the lower side. And what will happen when this negative half cycle is there? जर negative half cycle input ला आली तर काय होईल? वरती minus येईल. Here it will be minus and here it will be plus. In case of negative half cycle, in case of positive half cycle, plus will be upper side, minus will be lower side. In negative half cycle, minus will be on upper side, plus will be on lower side. So we'll consider that only positive half cycle is there. So first of all, positive half cycle has appeared. This plus will be on upper side, this minus will be on lower side. Getting? So hence, because of that, what will happen? See, as this is the case, so what will happen? See, transformer, what it will do? It will down convert the voltage. It will down convert the voltage, but polarity will not change. So as polarity is constant, so here also we will get positive and here we will get negative. Because input la tasas ahe. Correct? So now in positive half cycle, we are having positive on upper side, negative on lower side. So see the circuit connection. Diode कसा कनेक्ट केला आहे आत्ताच्या कंडिशनला, म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ सायकल इनपुटला असताना पॉझिटिव्ह टर्मिनल ऑफ बॅटरी, दिस पॉझिटिव्ह टर्मिनल ऑफ बॅटरी इज कनेक्टेड टू व्हॉट? Triangular part of diode, and negative terminal of battery is connected to n-type material of the battery. Diode चा n terminal हा तुमच्या नेगेटिव्ह टर्मिनलला आहे बॅटरीच्या, आणि डायोडचा p टर्मिनल हा तुमच्या बॅटरीच्या पॉझिटिव्ह टर्मिनलला आहे. मीन्स वी आर सेइंग दॅट p is connected to p, n is connected to n. So we call it as a forward biasing. We call it as a forward biasing. So now diode is forward. So diode is forward bias. In this case, in positive half cycle of input, your diode is forward bias, and obviously in forward bias condition, diode is conductive now. Diode is what? Conductive. Means diode is on. So here in this case, the diode will carry the current, and this current will now go through the resistor, and this same input you are getting at the output, because diode is acting as an on switch. कारण की तो ऑन आहे. फॉरवर्ड बायस मध्ये डायोड काय झाला? ऑन. ऑन झाल्यामुळे काय होईल? इनपुट करंट ऍज इट इज कुठे जाईल? आउटपुटला. सो इन फॉरवर्ड बायस कंडिशन, डायोड इज ऑन. In forward bias condition, diode is on. Getting? It is very simple. Okay. Why this has happened? Because in positive half cycle, positive terminal of signal is on upper side, negative terminal is on lower side. Hence, diode circuit मध्ये कसा कनेक्ट झाला? diode, P-type terminal of battery connected to positive of diode, and negative terminal of battery connected to N-type material of diode. Means P2P connection, N2N connection, hence it is forward bias. In forward bias, diode is on. Means diode is acting as a on switch. जसं आपण घरात बटन दाबतो, switch on करतो, current flow व्हायला सुरुवात होते. So diode is on. Diode is on. So all current which is coming from input will go to output load. See RL. You can see here the RL. Getting na? This RL is nothing but your load. Through that load, current will flow, and same will appear across this output. Same will appear across this output. Simple. Are you getting it? Please reply. Okay. So now we'll study the negative half cycle of input. Okay. Now consider that this of your input is appearing here. पहिले पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ सायकल येऊन गेली, आता तुमची इनपुटला निगेटिव्ह हाफ सायकल आली. सो इनपुटला निगेटिव्ह हाफ सायकल आली म्हणजे काय की निगेटिव्ह टर्मिनल ऑफ बॅटरी इज ऑन अप्पर साइड and positive terminal of battery is towards lower side, like this. Means reverse. Battery terminals are reverse, like this. Getting na? So positive terminal on lower side now and negative terminal on upper side. Exactly reverse to positive half cycle of input. Positive half cycle मध्ये काय होतं? Plus terminal on upper side, minus terminal on lower side. Here in negative half cycle, minus is on upper side and plus is at lower side. So obviously transformer connect केलेला आहे. Because of that transformer, the voltage will be lowered, but polarity will be same, like this. Polarity is same. So see what is happening. This negative terminal is now connected to P-type material, and this N-type material connected to positive terminal, like this. Correct na? So what is happening? The negative terminal of battery is now connected to P-type material of diode, and N-type material of diode connected to positive terminal. So we say it as the diode is now reverse bias. Diode is reverse bias. Hence we can say the diode is off condition. So diode is off condition. So in reverse bias condition, diode is off because we know that microampere current is flowing, nanoampere current is flowing. So obviously current value is very less. Hence we say it as diode is off in reverse bias condition. So here in this case, this negative half cycle is coming at the input, but this switch is off. We can say that this diode is reverse bias. Hence this diode is now in off condition, like this. So circuit is not complete. So current is not flowing. So hence here in this case, here in this case, the signal is absent because current is not going ahead. That's why we are getting the zero current here. We are getting zero current here. Okay. So in positive half cycle, diode is forward bias. Hence the diode is on, current is flowing through the diode. That's why current is appearing at the output of the load. So positive half cycle appearing same to the output. In reverse bias condition means in negative half cycle of input, diode is reverse bias, diode is off, hence current value is 0. डायोड ऑफ आहे म्हणजे काय, बटन बंद आहे, बटन बंद आहे म्हणजे तुमचा जो डायोड आहे तो ऑफ आहे, त्यातून करंट जात नाहीये, सर्किट इनकम्प्लीट आहे, म्हणून आउटपुटला करंट गेला नाही, आउटपुट 0. आउटपुट इज व्हॉट, 0. Getting? So this is the working principle of half wave rectifier. Means we are having two half cycles at the input. One is positive, one is negative. But out of both half cycle, it is rectifying only positive half cycle. Negative half cycle rectify होत नाही. म्हणजे पूर्ण वेव्ह पैकी अर्धी वेव्हच रेक्टिफाय झाली, म्हणून याला म्हणतात हाफ वेव्ह रेक्टिफायर. तर ती कशी रेक्टिफाय झाली, एकच डायोड कनेक्टेड होता, पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ सायकल मध्येच त्यातून करंट जात होता, निगेटिव्ह हाफ सायकल मध्ये त्यातून करंट जात नाही, म्हणून त्याला म्हणतो आपण हाफ वेव्ह रेक्टिफायर. वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज हाफ वेव्ह रेक्टिफायर. Okay, so now tell me, is there any doubt to you? So in exam you have to draw 3 circuit. In exam you have to draw 3 circuit while writing the answer. That in forward bias, see, in forward bias in case of forward bias, you have to draw line like this. In case of forward bias means your diode is on, correct? And in case of reverse bias, you have to draw another circuit. You have to draw another circuit where the diode will be in off condition, so current is not going, hence the value of current is 0 here, like this. Getting? So 3 circuits will be there. The first circuit, which is like this, similar whatever you are seeing in front of the screen, this will be your first circuit. Second circuit, that is in positive half cycle of input, your diode is forward bias, so it is short circuit like a wire, so current is going. In negative half cycle of circuit, your output diode is reverse bias, hence it is open circuit, means wires are not attached, hence current is not going, the output is 0. The output is 0. So we can have one more waveform diagram. See, I am sharing another diagram. See this diagram.